lang po. Sige na po.
Which one? That one? And
yes. Daddy was complaining with this.
started to move also. Are you ready? You're not scared? Good girl. You're brave? Just like last time? Very good. High
The
five.
one that I was getting my blood.
Yeah.
Mommy.
What? Still? Sit down.
Yeah.
I'm here. Okay, you want to see me? Smile before it's gone. Show me first. It will go later. More. Ayun ko. Dalawa? You're changing your mind. You said the other one's moving as well.
Let us have that now because it's all the new thing. You will not go anyway.
Kaya nga, wag mo na lang sabihin. Pero, check mo rin kung ano na. Wait, Lex.
Okay, ready po. We're going to check it first.
Yeah.
Wala tayo na.
Okay.
Mangangalingan si Mami.
Kaya nga. Dapat holding hands daw.
Upo ka na lang.
Okay.
Ako na.
Wow.
Open lang, baby po. Very good.
Yeah, hold there.
Open lang. Very good. Meron naman ikaw dito siya bro. Yung bunot natin, 1,000 pa. Tapos, meron po yung live streaming po. Matagal na.
Bunot na lang muna. Oo.
Pero matagal na po yung live streaming niya.
Hindi pa siya nakapagpa-cleaning. Meron na ba?
Sige po. Please lang na We're not doing anything for the sorry to
Kung may mga masaktayan din, hindi siya matatakot kung siya kung may masaktan, hindi matatakot yan bumalik yung lista. Very brave naman yung baby nila. Very brave, no? Very brave. Very brave, like just Kuromi.
Ha?
Like Kuromi.
Like Kuromi.
Kuromi daw ang brave eh.
Huwag mo lang si Mami if you feel something.
Don't move your head, okay?
Kulang na lang nabibig yung water. Mas ulit pa, tatamal lang na ka. Spray lang sa only water. Spray lang tayo. Good. Ganito, let's keep it. The ice cream talaga ito.
Just close your eyes, Alex. Close
Yeah.
your eyes.
Just look at the light.
Look at the light. Very, very much.
Yay.
Very, very much.
Just water. The food is clear.
Yay. Almost, almost.
Just the water.
Very great naman. Very good.
Almost done. Almost done.
Sabihin ko si Mami, hindi ko na very good.
Almost done. Almost, don't move. Almost, almost. It's done, it's done. Don't swallow it, huh? Don't swallow.
Water again. Good job. Good job.
Oh, grabe yung hawak eh.
Hindi, hindi si masakit yun.
Hindi.
Ramdam nila siguro na may trauma.
Oo.
Yes, it's okay. The father's going to get it. Very. You're very good. Para lang tayong nag-paper na lang.
No more.
Pwede man yan, bibi ko, souvenir. Balik ko gusto niya. Okay, bibi ko, ha? You bite this one. Very good. Bite your leaves,
Yay.
especially don't touch it with your tongue. Okay? Good job, love.
Good job, Lex.
Hard.
It's so cute. Daddy. Oh, get the bag. Get the bag.
Some people, ganun na lang.
So cute. Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome.
And that.
Huh?
And that.
You're welcome. Careful, Lex. Yung ipin niya. Tingnan mo yung smile niya.
You want to explain, yeah,
Yeah.
at least she will understand that the heavy hard time getting you. Not telling that later part, the real mother of this one
Wait, Alex.
come to realize that Lupe should have somebody, her brothers around, because for 5 years he's alone in the house. So we have, she decided to go.
You're excited. Okay, Manila. Inward sneeze.
So what do?
You cover one nose and you let him breathe.
So you should have you should.
I'm gonna tell him.
Huh?
I'm gonna tell him.
You got
That's
the
his
right
childhood.
one.
His childhood.
Yeah.
It's Fritz.
It's cute!
So how's that?
I searched it up, or I think the doc, Ate told me about it.